Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rajiv Fatia Zahran. Today I will presentation Indonesia versus Bahrain. So the match between Indonesia and Bahrain was played on March 25, 2025 at Gelora Bung Karno Stadium in Jakarta. It was part of the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualification. Indonesian played really well in the front on their home crowd and finally won the game 1-0. The only goal was scored by Ole Romani in the 24 minutes and after great team play. After that, Bahrain tried to push hard, but Indonesian defense was very solid. The goalkeeper, Martin Paes, also made some good saves to keep the clean sheet. Indonesia used a 3-4-2-1 formation with players like Jesse Ijes, Justin Hubner, and Calvin Verdong. They focus on fast counter-attack and teamwork. Meanwhile, Bahrain played with 4-2-3-1 system and had more possession, but they could finish their change. The atmosphere in the stadium was amazing. More than 60,000 fans were cheering for Indonesia. It really helped the team to stay confident and motivated until the end. The victory was very important for Indonesia because it gave them 3 points. In the World Cup qualification for Bahrain, it was so lost since they needed to point too. Overall, Indonesia show great work, discipline, and fighting spirit. It was one their best performance in the qualifiers. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about simple present tense. This tense is one of the most basic and most used tense in English. In the first one is introduction. Simple present tense is used to talk about things that we do regularly, general facts, or things that are always true. It's simple but very important in daily conversations. On the next, function of simple present. We use it to describe our daily routines. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. We also use it for general truth like the sun rises in the east, and to express feelings like I love music. Next is formula affirmative. The basic pattern is subject plus verb 1, and if the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or is to the verb. For example, I play football, but she plays football. Next is formula negative. To make a negative stance, we use do not or does not. Remember, do for I, you we they, and does for she, he, it. Example, I don't like coffee, and he does watch TV. Okay, next, formula interrogative. For questions, just move the or does to the front. For example, do you play guitar, or does she cook well? Use of do and does. Use do for subjects I, you, we, they, and does for he, she, it. That's a very simple rule, but easy to forget, so remember it. Next, verb 1 with s or is. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or is. For example, work to works, go to goes, study to studies. Next is time expressions. There are something time expression that we often use with this tense: always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, and so on. This word helps show how often something happens. Next, example affirmative. Here are examples of affirmative sentence. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. She studies English every day. They play football on Sundays. Next, example negative. Negative example: I don't watch TV at night. He don't drink milk. We don't like spicy food. Next example questions. Question example: do you go to school every day? Does he work on weekend? Do they like a pizza? Next, we have questions. If you want to ask using what, where, when, why, how, use the pattern. We have word plus do or does, plus subject, plus verb 1. For example, what do you do every morning? Where does he live? Next, common mistake. Here are some common mistakes. People often say she don't like tea, but that's wrong. It should be she doesn't like tea, but not he play football, but he plays football. Next, press this one. For example, she blah 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 go to school every day. The correct answer is she goes to school every day. Next, press this 2. For example, he works in an office. The answer is works because the subject is he. Next, short reading example. Let's read a short paragraph. My name is Lisa. I live in Jakarta. I go to school every day. I study hard and help my parents at home. Notice how all verbs are in simple present form. Next, identify the verb. Now, can you find all the verb in simple present tense from Lisa paragraph? They are live, go, study, and help. Next, summary. So, to summarize, we use simple present tense for habits, routines, and fact. Add is, as, or is for he, she, it, and use do, those for questions and negative. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in comment.